This is the Scrap Metal Commodities Recycling and Economic Report by BENLEE and Raleigh Goldsboro Recycling, September 18, 2017. Last week, commodity prices and economic reports were mixed. U.S. steel production fell slightly, remaining well ahead of last year and slightly ahead of 2 years ago. Oil rose $2 a barrel to $49.83 as demand remains good and Texas refineries came back online after the hurricane. The oil rig count fell 7 to 749 as oil stayed below the important $50 a barrel for U.S. producers to make a good profit. Iron ore fell $3 a metric ton to $70 as recent declines continue that we have seen in recent weeks. Scrap ferrous prices actually rose slightly as global demand remains balanced with supply, but the recent U.S. hurricanes are going to increase supply significantly, which could actually lower prices. Hot dip galvanized steel remains steady yet again at $9.50 a ton, thereby staying at this higher level. Copper fell 9 cents to $2.95. Unwinding speculation along with manufacturing slowdowns are hitting copper hard. Copper's up 2 cents this morning to $2.97. The 5-year chart shows copper is about 20 cents lower than the about 3-year highs of a couple of weeks ago. Copper inventories rose slightly, putting slight downward pressure on prices. Aluminum fell 1 cent to 93.2 cents, remaining near its recent high. Looking at the 5-year chart, we see 93 cents is near the about 4-year high of 96 cents from 3 weeks ago. Aluminum inventories were stable, remaining yet again near their 10-year lows on good demand in transportation and construction. Cardboard fell $10 a ton to $175, but remains more than double the $80 a ton of about 18 months ago. Big numbers. U.S. August industrial production fell 0.9% from July, making it the first drop in output since January and the largest drop since May 2009. Hurricane Harvey has hit the economy hard. China's August industrial production rose 6% over July. While strong, it's the weakest gain since December. On the positive side, while mining contracted in China, their manufacturing output actually grew 6.9% from July's 6.7%. U.S. inflation hit a 3-month high of 1.9% as Hurricane Harvey spiked gasoline prices, but core inflation, excluding gasoline and food, was steady at 1.7%, lower than the Fed's target of 2.0%. U.S. job openings hit an all-time high of 6.17 million in July. This is great news unless you're like us, having a hard time finding new workers. This high is almost 3 times the low of 2009 when there were 2.196 million openings. The stock market hit yet again new highs, ending at 22,286, up 488 points for the week, putting upward pressure on commodity prices. Despite China continuing to have good industrial production levels, there continues to be a major slowdown in recycled materials being sold into the country. Prices are now falling for low-grade items like electric motors and insulated wire. China has also announced that they will shortly follow a version of what Britain and France have already announced, which is that by 2040, only 23 years from now, all cars sold in the country will have to be electric. This could put upward pressure on copper prices for many years to come. Target is the 8th largest U.S. retailer, only slightly behind Amazon at number 7, making Target an important part of the U.S. economy. They just announced that they will be hiring 100,000 seasonal workers for the holidays, up 40% from last year, a very positive sign. Efficiency in hauling scrap metal is key to our designs at BENLEE. We are leaders in 48 and 53-foot open-top scrap gondola trailers that are strong, light, and frameless. We even sold one this morning. Call us for a quote. As always, feel free to call or email me with any questions, and we hope all have a safe and profitable week.